And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, we talked earlier about the cold air moving in and the winds. I showed you those wind speeds. I couldn't get over how loud it was in Virginia Beach where I went to dinner. All of a sudden, when that came through, man, it sounded like a freight train. Right now, you can even still see the camera there high atop our station here. Our sky view is definitely moving back and forth. You can see that in the wind. And the wind isn't even nearly as strong as it was, again, earlier. Right now, gusts are only into the 30s at Virginia Beach and 20s back inland. A little bit of precipitation, as we mentioned, still in the form of some light mixed sort of showers down across areas of North Carolina's Outer Banks. Around here, 35, but it feels like 26. So roughly a 10-degree difference. Keep that in mind. That's what it's going to be like later tonight when I show you the actual air temperatures. Well, I'm going to show you the wind chills as well, but give you a general idea. Tonight, officially probably down around 27, windy and cold, but wind chills, depending on how far inland you are, where it's lower 20s that are expected, will be between 12 and 19 degrees. Winds gusting as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour once in a while near the water. Current temperatures you can see drop off. We're already cold, and they drop off even more back inland. Already seeing 29, for example, up in Richmond, 28 in Petersburg. Those kinds of readings come sweeping in here over the next few hours. So we'll continue to watch the readings drop. Look at that wind still out of the west at 16 miles per hour. That's why these temperatures in the 20s are going to feel like the teens later tonight. And they don't get a whole lot better even tomorrow, at least in the morning. By afternoon, it'll be one of the coldest, well, it will be for sure, the coldest day we've had at least since March, maybe even since February. First week of February last year, we were at 38. The first week of March, we had a day where we were 39. So we're going to be right in there around those two numbers. As you can see, readings in the upper 30s. Tomorrow night, a little bit of a clipper, as we call it, comes in from Alberta. Bundle of energy, a low-level system in the upper atmosphere. And that's going to cause some clouds. And I think there's a decent shot at least a few flurries or a sprinkle or two again tomorrow night. Maybe not quite what we saw tonight, but still something to be cognizant of. Temperatures then Thursday moderate, finally back up a little bit milder into the sort of near 50-degree category. Here's some of that moisture. Some of it didn't reach the ground, but in many, many areas then, once we saturated the atmosphere, it did. So tonight, look at those readings down through the teens into the 20s. And then continuing to go up from there. The jet stream level winds, big dip tomorrow and tonight. That's why we have that Canadian air mass. And then it moderates a little bit once we get into Thursday. We go back to another big dip Friday, bringing some cold air back in. So tonight, 27, inland areas lower 20s, windy and cold with wind chills in the teens. Tomorrow, 39. Tomorrow night, a lot of us will not see any precipitation, but a few spots are going to see a stray flurry or a brief rain shower, a brief mix. That's why we have that symbol on there. 53 then on Thursday, 45 Fridays, back chilly again, 49 Saturday, and by Sunday, increasing warmth, but also good chance of rain by Sunday evening, overnight, and into Monday.
All right, Jeff, thanks so much.